Hello, it's Kamal back with another video. Let's do this. What do we say? Engineered stone will be banned in Australia, and what happened? It got banned 1st of July. But let's talk about why it got banned and what's happening now. What are some of the issues around what is going on today? Why engineered stone got banned is because of the polymers and the resins in the stone benchtop. And what that meant was 90 to 94, 95, 96% was stone, it was quartz. The remainder, the binding agent, were polymers and resins and a whole load of nasty stuff. So what that was doing is that was turbocharging the crystalline silica disease in the lungs of people who, on a regular basis or a once-off, which we don't know the effects of in another 20 years, crystalline silica disease, which is basically an incurable lung cancer. So what they did, they banned the combination. They banned the quartz being in a material with polymers and resins, which meant all engineered stone slabs, all engineered stone brand was banned from manufacturing and installation in Australia. So what happened? All of the manufacturers said that's fine, even though they argued right to the last minute that it wasn't bad and it wasn't killing people, but they gave in and they said fine. So what we'll do for the Australian market is we'll replace the stone with glass. So that's exactly what they did. So in engineered stone now, there is 0% stone. There is no stone at all. They've replaced stone with recycled glass and so on, but 90 to 96% now is glass mixed with the polymers and the resins. And they go around calling it a stone benchtop. How do you call it a stone benchtop when there's 0% stone in it? Come on, guys. All right, so if anyone can prove me wrong, show me a CSIRO test report, because all of these companies that supply these materials, or the so-called engineered stone benchtops now, had to get a CSIRO test report, which does state that it is not stone and the core material is glass. Now, sintered porcelain stone. It is more of a stone benchtop than engineered stone. Why do I say that? Is because it's over 50% mixed minerals of stone. 5 different stone minerals, including quartz, but without the polymers and resins, is in the sintered porcelain stone. The remainder is clay, and that's fired at 1,300 to 1,400 degrees, creating an indestructible surface. So the benefits of firing the surface means it's heat proof, it's scratch proof, it's stain proof, and it doesn't wear and tear. You never lose the shine. It is the material fixed for as long as you can keep the kitchen there. So what's more of a stone benchtop? Something that has stone in it, or something that has glass in it and 0% stone? I understand. The other day, we got an email back from a client that we did a quote for, and they turned around and said, you know what, porcelain's a bit too expensive, we're gonna go with real stone. And they were comparing it with another brand of engineered stone. So to say, being a glass bench, you're not getting a stone benchtop. Sintered porcelain stone is a stone benchtop. Just like engineered timber floors. You don't get engineered timber floors and say I've got vinyl, you say I've got timber floors. Engineered timber floors absolutely has timber on the top, whereas a vinyl plank flooring doesn't. Fine, it looks like timber, so the engineered stone is more like that vinyl plank flooring, where it looks like timber, but it isn't. There you go, that's the difference. And an update with what's happening with the engineered stone, comparing it to briefly with the material and the composition to sintered porcelain stone. And thanks for watching.